Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Let's go coloring. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bat. C is for carrot. C is for car. D is for duck. D is for door. E is for elevator. E is for egg. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Please like and subscribe to my channel.